Omni Logistics has been at the Fairbanks International Airport for the last 35 years. We have everything from 50 below in the winter to 85 above zero in the summer. We have partnered with ESI where we rent a lot of their heaters to help us through these cold weather temperatures. The reliability of these products that we get from ESI is phenomenal. You know, it'll be 50 below and we've got to bring that thing down the ramp, and even in the 10 minutes it takes to get there, a lot of equipment would have frozen up. Now we just turn it on and it's ready to go, which is impressive. We never want to report to an airline, sorry, your plane couldn't take off because it was frozen up, or, you know, we needed some critical part to get our heaters going so that your airplane could get going. ESI being around the corner is something that has saved us thousands of dollars, and, you know, also customer respect. That's something that's invaluable that we always make sure that we can deliver on.